Did you have fun? Did you have fun?
We're going on a biking adventure today in the Mohonk Mountain.
Yeah.
We're at the Testimonial trailhead.
Yeah.
And we have 30 miles of bike trails ahead of us.
30? Alright, it looks really nice, right? I want to go up to the top.
Check out the tower.
I want to go check that out. Oh look, I could charge my bike.
Oh, look at that yellow bird right there.
It's a woodpecker?
What that is?
Is that a woodpecker?
I think so.
Yes. Alright, let's get this off.
Show on the road.
Get this show on the road. This is really wild. Finally on the way. It's a beautiful day and it's a beautiful place. Check this out. It's so nice. We got a killer dog over here. You had seen you on that bike. My eyes don't go that far. Great, let's go up there. We're gonna go up there. I'll race you up the mountain. I'll race you up there. We got cows. Man, we came at the right time.
Looks so pretty up here, doesn't it?
What is this here? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Did you want to go in there? there. We went how far? Almost 2 miles so far?
I think so.
2 miles
Did you
before we
reset?
found the
I didn't
pier.
reset.
No, I'm tracking the Fun Little Trail. Oh boy, we're climbing. My ears are popping. Well, well, well. What do we have here? That's so cool. Yeah, I want to look. Oh, wow.
Oh, waterfalls right in one spot. I love that one.
I can look. I'm coming.
Oh, wow, it's so pretty.
Yeah.
Must be fish in there.
Alright, we're getting up there.
I think we're at the, are we at the highest point now?
I don't know. We're going up. We are going up. My ears are popping. I see what you're looking at. Yes.
Really?
Yeah, see it. It's great. Look at that. This is pretty cool right here, right? Right? Oh boy. Look at that. Oh boy. I thought that other spot was nice. This is even better. Something like that out there. It's gonna be fun coming down. Oh, looks like somebody crashed with their bike helmet. Is that brains? Oh, that looks like this is us. Alright, we're going for it. Let's go for it. Ooh, it's steep down there, boy. You don't want to fall that way. Right here. You see that we're on rocks. Yeah. You're actually on top of the rock. Yeah. Look at the rocks right there, Michelle. We're so close. We're so close. Sun is shining. Yeah, I love this. You're riding right on top of the rocks. What are you doing? Keep pedaling. Yeah, look at that. It looks like a cave over there. Yeah, look at that. She's gonna stop. Why wouldn't she stop? Oh, we have to stop. You gotta stop. You have to stop. You gotta look.
Oh, look at that.
So maybe we'll... No, they don't call walking up here. It's called hiking.
It's hiking. Look at it. It has a placard here. Oh my god, that's so cool. Look at the way they do at the top.
Mm-hmm.
See it?
Yeah. There's people hiking up. Yeah, I don't know about that.
Yeah, we're not taking the bikes down.
Chicken.
I don't know.
Look at that rock, babe. You want to climb it? You want to climb it?
We are climbing it.
All right, we're on our way down. This is the fun part.
Just imagine coming up here with a horse and carriage.
Yeah.
This is carriage. It's so cool.
I'd probably be like, yo, this is so cool. Same thing today. People got, you know, they use their quads. We go up into the mountain. Oh yeah, it's cool. Getting stuck is all part of the fun. Trying to get over the rocks, we're still doing it. Are you just gonna coast or are you gonna wear out those brakes all night long? Oh my God, this is beautiful. Oh, let me pull over here. I gotta wait for her. I gotta wait. Maybe she hear my trumpets. See, this is what happens. How did you leave your wife behind? She was going too slow down the hill. Keep it going. Just staying on that one, right? Which one? Old Stage? I'm surprised he took this one. I'm surprised he went this way. Okay. coming to the end. That was a fun trail. That was nice. I'll come back, right? I'm gonna come back. Are you coming back? Yeah. We made it. You finished last. Did it? What's inside that door? Traffic. Oh, it's a blower right there. All right, this is it. This is the last stretch. We're done for today. Tomorrow, the Mohonk Mountain. Did you have fun? Did you have fun?
Yes, I did.
Look at this.